Hi, I'm Taylor with MAG Volkswagen, and I'm going to be teaching you about the new 2022 Taos and a few features about it. So here you have the push button start, and that comes standard with all of the Taoses, and also the digital cockpit as well. So here you can see you can change the view. Here is the speedometer. So if you hit the right arrow, you can change that, and you can show navigation, the audio, if you have a call, and then if you go here, your navigation will pop up right there and give you your directions. And then over here you can also have another one. You can show your gears, what gear you're in. If you want to see your phone. Thanks again for checking in. I'm Taylor with MAG Volkswagen, and if you have any more questions about the Taos, I'll be happy to help you. So just come on by.